Hey guys, if you want to know how to prepare this party fried rice, then just keep watching. Don't skip, don't go nowhere. Keep watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. And also press the notification bell so that whenever we upload, you will be notified, guys. Thank you so much. Today, I will be showing you guys how I cook my fried rice. So in here, I have chicken and turkey. So I've already mixed it with different spices. So here I have a little herb. I'm going to be cutting this after cooking it. In here I have salt and 1 cube of Maggi to cook this for like 10 to 15 minutes. So I don't want to cook it with the chicken, so I'm cooking it separately. Then here I have my olive oil. So this I will be using it to boil the chicken. Here are the vegetables. The mixed vegetables, carrots, green beans, red bell pepper and all that. So these spices here, I will be using this to fry the vegetables. Here is the rice. So guys, first thing is to cook our chicken. So this, I will be cooking it for 10 to 15 minutes before adding water. For now, no water. We're going to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes before adding water, guys. So 15 minutes later, so you see it's using, guys. So I'm going to be adding water now. We're adding water. So the water has to be the level of the meat. So that's all we need. Be cooking this for 20 minutes. The chicken will be ready. I add some bay leaf to cook. So my people, the chicken is ready. Now I'm going to transfer them to the oven. So I will bake them like 20 to 30 minutes. It will be ready. So it's time to parboil our rice. In here I have 2 kg of rice. For 10 minutes, then we'll bring it out. We parboil it for 10 minutes. So this 10 minutes later, it's time to wash our rice. So the rice is thoroughly washed now. You have to wash the rice very, very well. Now we are going to transfer it to the So this is the stock from the chicken. So you have to test if the salt and sneezy cube is okay. Perfect. So we are going to cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes. So it's time to start frying the vegetables. So adding my olive oil. Yeah, it's a little olive oil. So I will be adding 2 spoons of butter. So the work of butter, it will make the rice to be shiny, The color will look different. So now we'll be adding our onions. We have to stir it. We will fry this for like 50 seconds before I will add the spices. So now I will be adding the spices. Here I have curry, turmeric, Maggi cube, and some thyme. Time to add our green to it. We are going to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes before we add our carrots. Here's the rice. The color is just perfect. It's lovely. So I'm going to use folio paper to cover it. I will still leave it for 10 minutes. The water is already dry, just need to leave it. It's time to add carrots. So we'll cook for 3 minutes then before we'll add the last vegetable. So time to add our bell pepper. So it's time to add the frying the cow egg. So I fried this for 7 minutes, guys. Some people do use gizzard, liver, whichever one you like. So I fried for 7 minutes. So we'll be adding salt. So time to fry our rice. This frying depends on you. I will fry mine for 3 to 4 minutes and that is it. It's ready, guys. Welcome back, guys. This is our final look of our fried rice. This one is party fried rice. It's so yummy and delicious with salad, guys. With some salad, you see, it's really delicious, guys. It's so lovely. The color of the rice is something else. The aroma is wonderful. I love this guy. Oh my god, this is delicious. It's so lovely, guys. So delicious, guys. This food is yummy, 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 yummy. I feel like eating more and more and more and more. Thank you so much, guys. Please, if you have not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe. Subscribe is free. Support me by subscribing. Comment on my video. Share. Like. And don't forget to press that notification bell, guys. I really, really appreciate you all. God bless you guys for supporting me. God bless you. I appreciate. Thank you so much, guys. Until I see you on my next video, remain blessed and bye.